Hey y'all, Chef Shay here. So we got a promotion going on right now with our jerk rub, jerk seasoning, 20% off. So just go to Divinekuizine.com and you can get that discount. Now, if you don't know what to do with jerk rub or our jerk seasoning is hot, spicy, with a little kick of sweetness to it, but it's really more of that authentic type of rub. So I have used this on chicken. You can use it in your roasted pastas. You can use it in empanadas if you're trying to do some like jerk chicken empanadas, your jerk salmon, your ribs. And I have a variety of recipes at Divinekuizine.com. Variety of ways that you can use this jerk seasoning, and you just only need like 1 or 2 tablespoons depending on how hot you want your food. Go ahead and take advantage. It's only a limited time only to take advantage of 20% off our jerk rub, Divinekuizine's jerk rub. Love y'all, Chef Shay.